Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Deluxe Harris Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Harris Realistic Dildo itself from the Real Fantasy Deluxe collection. As you can see, it has a very realistic look and feel as well to it. And because of its length, it's perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Here are some useful measurements of this dildo. So the total length of the products is 15 centimeters. The insertion depth of this dildo is 14.5 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 3.8 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 3.2 centimeters. Now, as you can see and mentioned before, it's very realistic looking. It features a veiny shaft and a realistic head at the top just here as well. It features a strong suction cup, meaning you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and also enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. Now, this Real Fantasy Deluxe collection is slightly different from the standard dildo. It features a revolutionary material, which features a flexible shaft that adapts to your body during use for the ultimate stimulation. The outside features a ultra-soft, silky silicone material for extra comfort during use, and on the inside of the shaft, it's made of SiliXpan. SiliXpan is very flexible and adapts to your body shape as mentioned earlier. It's also very soft and flexible to the touch. The SiliXpan material does feel very soft when you touch as well, and it remembers your shape as well. The Harris Realistic Dildo is also suitable for strap-on harnesses as well. Now, when using this dildo, we would highly recommend for you to use this dildo in combination with a water-based lubricant for ultimate comfort during use. Please note you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with the Harris Realistic Dildo, as silicone lubricant and silicone toys cannot work together. When using this dildo, we would also highly recommend to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water for the best finish. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Real Fantasy Deluxe Collection Harris Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.